Hey guys, welcome to Joyoshare iOS channel. Today, we will teach you how to fix iPhone stuck on boot loop with several easy and useful solutions. To get started, we will explain why your iPhone is stuck on boot loop. First, upgrading to the newest iOS has the maximum probability to cause this problem. Second, the battery connector can malfunction sometimes, especially on the old devices. That means your device is not getting enough power, which causes the boot loop. Third, if not done jailbreak perfectly, your iPhone can break down and may not be able to perform even the simplest tasks. Then, I will introduce 7 solutions for you to fix this error. The first solution, use a powerful iOS system recovery software like Joyoshare UltFix, which is compatible with macOS and Windows. It can fix 150 plus iOS related issues on your iPhone, iPad, iPod, and many more. Featured with 2 repairing mode, standard mode and advanced mode, Joyoshare VD Kit helps you repair iPhone with or without losing data according to your attention. Plus, you will find that it allows you enter and exit recovery mode with one click without wasting much time. So, how to use this powerful and useful iOS repairing tool? You should download and install it in advance. Then activate this program. In the pop-up window, you will find this tool can fix 150 plus issues on your iPhone, including stucking on the black screen, white Apple logo, recovery mode, BFU mode, boot loop, and more. Note that you should connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable before starting the progress. Okay, now, you can click the Enter Recovery Mode by clicking this button. Then select the Start option, choose the standard mode to fix your iPhone stuck on the boot loop without data loss, and press the Next button. The information of iPhone will appear on your screen. You should confirm that all of the information is valid and correct. Download and select the firm package that matches your device. After having the appropriate firmware package downloaded, you need to hit the Repair option. When your iPhone turns on again, you need to see whether it fixed your problem. Also, there are some other common ways to help you fix this problem. The first solution, force restart the iPhone. Different iPhone models require different tips to restart. For iPhone without the home button, tap and release the volume up button. Press and hold the side button of the iPhone until the Apple logo shows on your screen. For iPhone with the home button, press the home button and sleep button for a few seconds to see the Apple logo disappear and appear on the screen before letting go. The second solution, update the iPhone to the latest version. Apple tends to release a new update for iPhone users to help them avoid any iPhone-related problems. Open your iPhone and tap the Settings app, then scroll down to find the General option and click it. Now, you can press Software Update in the list to check if any update is available. Tap Install now in the bottom of the screen. Wait for seconds if you notice any latest update there. The third solution, reseat the SIM card. Shut your iPhone down if it isn't already off. Access the SIM tray by using a paper clip or a SIM removal. Place the SIM card back in the device after removing it and making sure it's properly seated. Connect the SIM tray to the device and turn it back on. The fourth solution, factory reset your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and click General option. Then scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone and click it. Select Reset and reset all settings option, enter your passcode and wait for backup, input your passcode, choose Turn Off, and press Erase iPhone. Now, just wait for it to finish progress until see Hello on your screen. The fourth solution, restore your iPhone, use iTunes. Connect your iPhone to a computer using an Apple-approved USB cable. Tap the volume up button and quickly release it, then do the same thing with the volume down button. Press and hold the side button for about 5 seconds. Activate iTunes on your computer. And select the Restore iPhone option, then click the Restore and Update button. You can check if this tip fixes your problem. The last solution, contact the iPhone support. Lastly, if the things you were trying don't bother to fix iPhone stuck on boot loop issue, you need to contact Apple support. Apple will cover the repair for free. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and smash that like button. I'll see you next time.